In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not sending verification code. If you're stuck waiting for a code that never arrives, don't worry. Let's walk through the exact checks and options that usually get things moving again. Start by clicking Resend Code. After you do that, give it a moment. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes. Verification systems and carriers often queue these messages, so sending multiple requests too quickly can slow things down or trigger temporary limits. If nothing shows up after that short wait, click Resend Verification Code once more and then check again for the code. Keep your phone nearby with sound or notifications on, and make sure you have a stable internet or cellular connection while you wait. Next, double-check the phone details on your screen. Make sure the phone number is correct, digit by digit, and confirm the country code matches your location. Even a small typo can send the code to the wrong person. Also, be sure you're using a mobile number, not a landline. Verification texts and calls typically work only with mobile service. If you're expecting the code by email, open Yahoo Mail and check your spam or junk folder. Automated messages sometimes get filtered, especially if you've recently marked similar emails as spam or your security settings are strict. Look for the verification email there. If you find it, mark it as not spam, so future messages land in your inbox. If you still don't have the code, use another verification method. Click. Try another way, then choose the option that works best for you. Send code to email, or send code to phone. Pick the destination you can access immediately. If texts are delayed, email might arrive faster, and if email filtering is the issue, a phone code can bypass that. Here are the most common causes behind missing codes and how what you've just done addresses them. A wrong phone number or incorrect country code will prevent delivery entirely, so verifying those details is crucial. Spam filtering can hide emails, which is why checking the junk folder helps. Network problems, on your device or with your carrier, can delay or drop messages, so waiting briefly and trying again is effective. Too many verification attempts in a short time can trigger rate limits, which is why spacing out resend requests matters. And an incorrect recovery email means the code goes to the wrong inbox, so choosing the correct address in the alternate method is key. Follow these steps calmly and carefully, and you should receive your verification code shortly.